Hey everyone, this is Dimitri Pergamonic with MarketChameleon.com. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you could analyze the distribution of option volume and options trades for a particular stock using graphs. And we're going to use SPY in this example. I'm currently on the SPY options chain, and I'm going to click on this tab over here where it says volume. And when we do that, it opens up a graph. And the default graph shows us how the option volume traded in 5-minute intervals throughout the day. And when you're looking at these bars, these are stacked call option volume in the yellow, and then we got put option volume in a blue bar, and the total is the total volume that traded in that particular 5-minute slot. So here we could see if any type of bar sticks out in particular that we would want to go back and analyze on the particular time of day. And if we wanted to look at today's total volume compared to historical daily option volume, if we click on this historical last 30 days, we could see how today's option volume compared to the daily option volume in the last 30 days. So we could see here that today is not particularly a high option volume day so far in SPY. We could also look at the distribution of option volume by expirations. So if we click on this by expiration, here we see that the 0 DTEs, these are options that expire today, had the most volume, and the breakdown was 55% were in the puts, 45% were in the calls, and if you hover over it, you get the actual volume for each call for the calls and broken down by the puts. The total option volume today, 59% were in the puts, 41% were in the calls. Now let's say we wanted to see the distribution of the contracts based on strikes. So no matter what expiration, we just wanted to see if there is a particular option strike that was targeted today by traders. And if we click on here, by strike, now we have a distribution of the volume by strike. So we could hover over the biggest one, and we see today it was the 440 strike, more puts than calls traded in that strike. And then we see how the volume was distributed to the upside and downside. Now let's say we wanted to go to a particular expiration. If we click down here, we get the different expirations available to choose from. And let's just go to this August 24th, which was the busiest expiration. And here we see two graphs. One, the top one, is showing us how the option volume was distributed by strike for this expiration. So we could see which strikes were the busiest and the breakdown between call and put options. And we could also see how the volume was distributed throughout the day to spot any type of option volume spikes that may have happened in a particular time of day, which points to us the times that we could go back and analyze. If we wanted to look at how this particular expiration traded today versus historical, we could click on here, historical last 30 days, and we see that today this option expiration was the busiest out of the historical days that we have on record. So this is a quick way to analyze the distribution of the option volume for a particular stock using diagrams and graphs. And hopefully everyone, this was helpful, and hope to see you guys in the next video.